Looks like I'm white. I've been doing 4-4s, so let's go back to 3-4s and see what happens. He encloses his corner. It's weird. Normally you would enclose this one, but since he didn't, I'll go ahead and approach it. And that one. Here, I'm not too concerned about a pincer because I have this stone here. So I think I'll just enclose, and if he goes here, I can just counter pincer. And if he captures, I'm growing this area. This is even slower, so I really don't want to respawn there. I think I'll just extend on the top side, trying to grow this area as much as possible. I also think I could have just enclosed. Yeah, he's spending too many stones here just to capture a single stone, so it's a bit over concentrated. So I'll go ahead and enclose this corner as well. Okay, so now he tries to fight. But the issue with this one is I can kind of threaten to save this stone while making this stronger. And he's not really able to connect under or anything like that. I think I'll push here just because I can haunt it under, but it might be a mistake. Maybe I should have played here. But since he did that, I'm very happy to just extend here. Because instead of this one, if he Atari'd and I connect, he could like push, and he's growing this area. But here, I'm pretty happy I got kind of a wall here. My corner has some Aji in there, so I think I kind of want to defend my corner. He still is not alive, so he has to run out. This group is pretty strong, but I don't want to let him push here. So a turn here, I think, is making this group a lot stronger while also reducing his potential over here. And wow, that's just way too defensive. There's literally, I can Hane here, he just connects. I don't think that's really doing much. I'm a little surprised he played this defensive. Okay, so I have the option of just expanding my side here, which is probably good. I can also try to reduce this side. I think both are okay, but I think I kind of like reducing a little bit more than building. So I think I'll go ahead and try and get a base on this side. And I was told this is actually pretty good for white, and that black is supposed to play here, or at least it's more common. So I think I'll try this and see how it goes. If he just blocks here, I go here, and it's better than just extending because he has to connect. And I can make a base. It feels a little bit too much to push here, because if he takes my base away, if I Atari, I'm not really doing much in the corner. I don't think I can Atari this way and extend and hope to kill anything. But I think I just need to make a base. And since he blocked there, which it feels very small, I would have pushed here once and then played here because then I have a lot more Aji here. This one, he's playing very scared. I kind of want to just throw in this Atari just because it feels like it helps my group just a little bit. And I don't think I would ever do anything different here. And this is my last big extension. I can also try to grow this side, but it seems a little bit better to go in this direction. And there was still some Aji over here. This one he can't connect under because he went 2 spaces. So again, I think I'm just going to defend my corner. This time he can't make a base like he did last time. So he kind of has to jump out. I can just peep here. And I will jump out. So this group should be okay because it's very light. And he has 2 weak groups. I'm not going to try and split right away. I think I'm going to play over here first so that I can profit on the left side while attacking. And this group is light enough that I don't think it'll get into too much trouble. Oh, very aggressive. So he has 3 weak groups. I have 1 weak group. So I think I'll extend here, defending my weakest group first. And then when he jumps here, I can play here. So now he has 2 things he has to deal with, and also maybe a third. And it feels like he can only really protect 1. This corner is very strong, so I don't think I have to worry about it getting into trouble. A little bit odd. Do I need to worry about this cut? I almost feel like I could just push here. If he goes here, here, I just connect. I get cut off. I don't think I want to get cut off. So I'll just play safe and make sure I stay connected. And he still has 2 weak groups, so Feels a little bit smarter to just keep them separated. And now I can turn here, and feels like he's still in quite a bit of trouble here. Because again, doesn't have a good connection, and this is not alive, this is also not alive. Just gonna go here, threatening to capture. So he's kind of connected, but this is not alive yet. My corner is safe. So now I can come back and be really aggressive over here. But I'm also kind of weak. So I don't want to be too aggressive. He defends. I can almost cut here, so I think I'm just going to Hane. If he goes here, just Atari and cut. If I go here, he connects. I capture, he Ataris. I go here, and it's fine. This is also okay. If I Atari here, he Ataris. Not sure what he does after that. So let me see. 1, 2, 3. He can Atari here. I connect here. And I don't think he can actually surround these. So yeah, I think I'll do that. And it's also getting potential here as well in the center for me. So even if I don't kill, it should be good. I think I'll capture just to kind of keep this safer. But then it gives him an Atari. I'm sure it's fine. If he connects, I can connect. So he tries to run out. I need to escape somehow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But it seems okay. We'll see what happens. So I think he can just attach here, and if I push, he cuts me off. I push again, I can Atari. I can Atari this way. He has to connect. I go here. Here, connect. I should be okay. I think I connect to this side or this side. Or I just randomly die. Either way. But if he's wrong, then this is a pretty big mistake. I'm also considering playing here. But that could be a ko. If I go here, he gets to play here in Sente. I'm not sure if that matters. We'll go ahead and just play here. Oh. Can he do that? If I go here, he Hanes. I go here, I can cut or capture. My corner might get into some trouble, but if I kill this, it feels like it'll be okay even if I lost this. And killing this also probably kills this. So if it's a trade, I think it's okay for me. And then there's so much Aji here, like just Hane here, and I can pretty much just connect. If he goes here, I can just block here. My corner should be okay. But his group is not alive yet. Yeah, I'll just jump, try to make some eye shape in the corner. Okay, so he's trying very hard to put some pressure on this. But I don't think he can really get 2 eyes here. So I think he, if he's not careful, he could just die here. As long as I don't die, but this is Sente, and I can just live here pretty easily, I think. Yeah, I think I'll just push here. If he connects, I'll block here. And I don't think he can kill me. We'll find out, though. But again, even if this dies, as long as I just have Sente to play here to capture these, this group is also not alive. So I feel like I'm doing pretty okay, even if this dies. But I feel like this probably lives and then black dies. But I think the main thing was just he played way too many stones in this area. Yeah, this move just works. But if he plays here, I can just block here, and I should always have an eye here, and I could capture first. So I think I just live here, and he dies. So this game might have been a little too complicated. I'm not sure if you guys can learn too much from this, besides like the opening where he just played way too slow. The rest of it was kind of just fighting and reading. But hopefully it was at least entertaining, if not educational. Okay, so he's trying to fight back. Yeah, I think I'm not too worried about this running out, so I think I'm just going to make sure this group is safe and just capture this. I don't think there's really any Aji here I have to worry about, I don't think. Like, he can push here, I block. If he cuts, I capture. And if he connects, I connect. So I don't think he can cut this off. I feel like he has some liberty issues here. So yeah, I think I just capture. If he goes here, I go here. He can't play here because it's self-Atari. If he blocks here, I just simply connect. And he has to worry about these 3 stones getting cut off. So it looks like he kind of reduced a little bit, but he really just lost Sente because this is not Sente. I'm still connected. And I think I'm going to come back here to make sure this group dies and this group has some eye shape. And because he made me so strong in this area, if he tries to run out, I believe I can just kind of go out like this. Guess he's trying to kill me. I think I have more liberties though. So if here, well, actually, I probably would start with this one. If he turns, I can net. But here, 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 he has 1, 2, 3 liberties. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 liberties. Because I don't think we count this as a liberty, because at any time he can just Atari and I always have to connect. So it should be 3 liberties to 4 liberties. Okay, so I guess now he's going to come and try and live here. Which could be possible, but it looks a bit difficult. Like if he tries to make an eye here, I probably just capture to be safe. Not sure what that is. I guess he's trying to kill me. Yeah, I think I just don't care and I just kill this. But if he doesn't resign soon, I will probably just end the video here. Okay, and he finally resigns. But yeah, I'd like to thank all my Patreons and see you all next time.